So here's our situation. We have three buttons here: item, customer, and supplier. So let's just check the item form. So it also has three buttons: new, edit, and delete. But the customer and supplier has none. Now let's check the main form. So it has a few codes that will just open the form. So let's just test. So our goal will be those three button new, edit, and delete must also be existing on the customer and supplier form. So to start, we need to add a new form. And we will call it as master form or the parent form. Then we just need to add the three buttons. Let's just change its caption or text. And finally, we need to change its modifiers. Instead of private, we will change it as protected so that we can change the properties of the button once it is inherited, such as the background color, size, location, and others. So that's it. So let's now modify the item form and remove the buttons. And we will go to its code and change its inherited object. So instead of form, we will inherit from the master form. So also on the customer form. And lastly on the supplier form. So now let's test. Oh, it's working great. And when we check its type, you can see on the properties window, it is on master form.